All right, this video is going to go over 16.1d, which is solving logs specifically when there's log on both sides of the equation. These are a little easier because if you can look at number 2 first, if you can get log with the same base equals log with the same base, then all you have to do is set the of sections equal to each other. And then go solve. So get your x's on one side. Get your numbers on the other. And then divide. X equals 2. So that's how we're going to be doing most of these here. So like this one, I have log equal log, so I can just go x equals 3 to the 4th. Well, 3 to the 4th is 81. All right, this one, log equal log, so set these equal to each other. 6x minus 12 equals 5x. Get your x's on one side. Get your numbers on the other. X equals 12. All right, this one is going to be a little challenging, but it's not that bad. You stick to the plan, so x minus 2 over 2 equals x minus 3. Now, you need to solve this, but the one thing holding you back here is this over 2. So go ahead and cancel it by timesing by 2. Now, the key is on the right side here, because on the left side, it's just going to cancel. But on the right side, you're going to have to distribute it, right? So it's going to make 2x minus 6. That's the part everybody messes up on there. So what you end up with is x minus 2 equals 2x minus 6. Now, get your x's on one side, numbers on the other. And you get your answer of x equals 4. All right. Now we get into some of the quadratic ones. These are a little more challenging. You have to know how to factor. So this one, you're going to set x squared plus 5x equal to 36. Now, when you have a quadratic you're trying to solve, you want to get everything to one side. You want to make it equal 0. So you're going to minus 36. And you do this so that you can see if you can factor it. So this one does factor x plus 9, x minus 4. The reason you want to factor it is because now you can just set each factor equal to 0 and go solve. Just like that. All right, now this last one, set these equal to each other. You want to make it equal to 0, so move everything to one side. Try to factor it. Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. Now, please keep in mind, you technically need to check every single one of these answers. If it's positive, you're probably okay. But if you end up with a negative number like this one, you have to realize that if you plugged this back in to your original equation, you would end up with log base 6 of negative 8 right there. That is not allowed. You cannot do log of negative numbers. So this answer gets tossed. So your answer here is only x equals 4. Now, you're probably wondering, well, why didn't we do that on number 5? Well, if you plugged in negative 9 right here, it would become log base 3 of negative 9 squared plus 5 times negative 9. This is going to make 81 minus 45. which is 36. So it's not a log of a negative. So this one's okay. But if you end up with a log, an answer that's negative, you really need to think about it and plug it in and check it. So, all right, that's how you do log equal log. They're not that bad. Just go set those of sections equal to each other and go solve. Hope this video helped.